HSBC France Review, my honest experience with banking services and features. If you're considering banking with HSBC in France, here's my first-hand experience with their accounts, apps and services. Most people assume international banks all work the same, but the surprising truth is HSBC France offers tailored solutions for expats, local residents and international transfers. I opened a personal account and the process was smooth, with clear documentation requirements and responsive customer support. The mobile app is modern and intuitive. I could check balances, transfer money, pay bills and even manage cards directly from the app. One standout feature is the multi-currency account, which makes sending or receiving international payments easier and cheaper than traditional banks. HSBC France also offers credit cards, loans and investment options. I tested their online payment and card management tools, and everything worked seamlessly. Customer support was available in English and French, which is a plus for expats. Limitations: some fees, especially for international wire transfers, can be higher than local banks. Also, certain advanced investment products may require in-branch visits. Overall, HSBC France is reliable, technologically modern, and particularly useful for anyone needing international banking features. Whether you're living in France long-term or managing money across borders, it's a strong option to consider.